Today we're at the brand new terminal at the Pittsburgh International Airport, moving 2 Steinway concert grand pianos. This here is the 9-foot, and we have to take it off the stage here. Do you have room for this up there?
Yep.
Because the piano is on a stage, we have to use one of our 12-foot aluminum walk ramps, and we have brand new floor here that we don't want to damage, so we've placed a moving pad underneath. Now that burlap protects the keys and the inner workings of the piano. See, he's wrapping the burlap around the fall stick and closing the lid. We always leave the lid on pianos. This piano was used in last night's opening gala that featured the Pittsburgh Symphony Orchestra and Jeff Goldblum's band. Good there? Slowly. Are you far enough back? Straighten it out there. You're a little crooked. Coming down, coming down.
No more, no more.
Give me a little push there.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
I hope you enjoyed this rare behind-the-scenes look at the new terminal here at the Pittsburgh International Airport and how we move pianos. If you did, please hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about piano moving. And if you're interested in what we do and who we are, you can find all of our social media as well as our website linked in the description below.